Hello guys, today mag-i-install ako ng HRU sa aking ePerb. Dahil expired na ito, kailangan na ito papalitan. Ang ePerb guys, isa sa mga pinakamalagang distress signal sa barko. Ang purpose ng ePerb guys, designed to send out distress signals in emergency situations such as when vessel is sinking or crew members are in danger. This signal helps search and rescue team locate the vessel or people in distress. Automatic ito guys, nag-activate when submerged in water. Then ePerb transmit a continuous distress signal. The signal received by satellites in the COSPAS SARSAT system, which may release the position to the nearest rescue coordination center. Kaya gano'n na lang kahalaga yung gamit na yan sa barko. Isa yan guys sa equipments na included sa GMDSS. Ang ibig sabihin ng GMDSS guys, Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. Equipments na included sa GMDSS, isa sa ePerb, SART, BHF, Tower Radio, and DEC. Yan ang mga gamit na ginagamit sa distress signal para i-rescue ang barko.